Am I ready now?
Are you going to take this off? Now you can do your little trick. Pull it away a bit. Pull it away a bit, up there. That's it, you do it a bit closer. That's it. Now what about the bulb?
Yeah.
Can you do the bulb?
Okay.
Yeah, you can hold it like that. Don't touch it with
Oh.
it like that. You can just move it around. You really like a go? Hold the screwdriver, Millie. I know you've got your plastic one, but that's probably not much good. Look at that, Millie. How clever are you? You two are like little scientists. Would Millie like to go with the bulb?
Huh?
Millie like to go with the bulb? Wow, look at that, look. Oh, you see now, look, when you put the screwdriver in here, it stops Millie's bulb from going. That's cool, isn't it? Huh? Can you do it again, Mia? Wow, it stops the bulb from going. That's funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go.